Here's simplicity of the software from the trading room. When price is a bold green zone, when institutions buying the markets, you are buying with them. The problem this morning, price was at the critical resistance. Price was in a very limited trading range, and how instantly price collapsed from key target is a stunning reminder. Only when you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. Right now, we're no longer the green zone, we are the red zone. Everyone seeing this? Intelligent trader understands quite well. When price comes to the red zone, your only option to short from. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading, pretty please. With the power of the software, the power of the system, you can trade anything you choose. Institutions buying the market, but when price at the bold red line and you are day trader, the only option to short from, there is no other option. Based on what we discussed with students, it's extremely limited short. Correct? There is no surprise, all precise. It's a chop, it's a junk. Intelligent trader understands that. It's a very limited space to the downside. But it's the only option. There is nothing else that's possible. So if you're protecting your account and you're protecting your profits and you're moving your stop outside of break even, you are in great place. We discussed for hours. We need a powerful pullback, not a junky one. It's playing out in front of you. Trade is not on 1 minute chart. Trade converted to one for the trading room only. Multiple trades playing out. But that's the purity and simplicity of the software in front of you each and every day. You decide what you want to trade. So when you start decluttering your brain and when you start celebrating the simplicity of the price, the sky's the limit. You can trade anything you choose. At the bold red line, do not buy. Do not ever ignore this as your target. Key target always and forever, decision point 2. And that's the events in the trading room this morning. And that's the simplicity and precision of the pure price. There is no speculation, there is no gambling. There is no random targets, random stops. Ultimate precision in front of you. Each and every day. Choice is yours, what you decide to trade. But that's the trading range right now. Nothing else is possible, only this. From the key target price reversing back 3 points, and if price skyrocketing back up, there is no surprise, all precise. Intelligent trader knows this. So if you're ready to become minority that becomes successful in trading, I look forward working with you. But if you still want to gamble, if you still want to speculate, if you still want to chase random targets, oops, you're not ready to be successful. You're not ready to be minority. Because in order to become top 5%, you need to stop doing what majority does. You need to focus on pure price. And when you do, the sky's the limit. You can trade any instrument you choose with simplicity and precision of Alpha Fibonacci System. You will never need anything else, I promise. That's it. And that's another spectacular morning. And that's ultimate precision again and again and again. You decide what you want to trade. So this is what price does each and every time. This is what Price reminding you each and every day. Stop speculating, stop gambling. Start trading with rules. And when you do, you are very well prepared for any and every crisis. There is no surprise, all precise. So when I receive so many emails during crisis from my incredible students from all over the world, this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Jennifer's husband Emmanuel brought her to the course. He also brought his best friend. This is mom of two little babies at home trading Nasdaq and S&P. But Jeff loves to trade stocks. Choice is yours. Do you want to trade S&P as Brad does? After trying for 20 years and making $10 an hour, on average 3,500 per day. This is on 10K account. You decide what you want to trade. If you're skeptical, I don't blame you. Denzel was. But when Denzel made an effort, the skies are the limit. For Sue, it's options. For Steve, it is every single instrument. And he knew where to exit Bitcoin before Bitcoin crashed 65%. And that's the reason I love what I do. And when 14-year-old boy can do this, whose father Andy brought him to the course, so can you. The skies are the limit if you obey the rules. So if you want to see the power of the system in the live markets, please sign up for the trading room invitation and please review all the details online. Because every single one of the courses, every single one of the systems this year includes Alpha Fibonacci Annual Trading Bootcamp. So please, right now I'm receiving so many requests to move the bootcamp to the first week of December. I will update you by tomorrow on that. But please understand, bootcamp values $3,000 include in every single one of these packages. So if you're fortunate enough to grab the last 6 spaces, every single one of these packages includes bootcamp. It's a lifetime system for any platform, or lifetime software for Ninja 8 with group course, private mentoring, video library, modules, trading room. And when you click here, this is so much more that's included. On my birthday, I always give gifts to others. That's the biggest gift I can ever receive. When you start making money with Alpha Fibonacci system, it brings so much more into my life. Because this is my other passion, coaching you on optimizing your brain, coaching you on optimizing your health, because that's a base for success. When your brain is optimized, your mindset is optimized, because brain is a hardware, mindset is a software. There is no shortcut to success. If brain is not healthy, mindset cannot function. So that's my other passion. That's what I've done for the last 25 years. Coaching not just on wealth, but coaching you on ultimate health. Because when you become top 5%, you don't think about money. You think about your health. So I coach you. I inspire you how to live, how to breathe, how to think as the top 5%. And when you do, the skies are the limit. You stop being a gambler. You start understanding. That's in order to win Super Bowl, you must have ultimate brain ultimate mindset, ultimate health. That's the base for ultimate wealth. If you are the graduate of the course, please do contact me for details. Graduates are invited to the bootcamp. But if you are a new student, simply click and choose from 4 packages here. Bootcamp this year is included. We will have separate bootcamp section on the website. If you cannot attend Monday through Friday on average 3 hours in bootcamp, you can watch videos 24/7. Thank you so much, traders, as again and again and again. Take a look what played out. There is no speculation here. Ultimate precision, an ultimate reminder why a system traded globally, not just on futures, but on stocks, on Forex, on Bitcoin, on options, from micro to macro account. All you have to do, make an effort and obey the rules. And when you do, the sky's the limit with Alpha Fibonacci System.